Hi guys, welcome back to the Make.com Mastery for Beginners series. If you are new here, I teach automation, AI workflows, and how to build systems that save you time and make money. Today we are diving into one of the most underrated features in Make.com, templates. By the end of this video, you will know what templates are, how to use them, and how to customize them. Make.com templates are pre-built automation workflows created for common use cases. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can simply pick a template, connect your apps, and you are good to go. Think of it like this. Templates are like ready-made blueprints. You just plug in your own tools and data. To access all templates on make.com, you simply go to the dashboard and you see where we have templates here. You click on templates. So this will open a page that shows you all available templates on make.com. So these are different templates, and you can see each template has a number of times it has been used. So it means different people use this template as well. So what you just need to do is come here, look for a template that actually suits your automation scenario. So that will guide you on which of the templates to select. Some templates might not fully cover all your use case. However, you definitely find something that aligns with what you are trying to build. And with that, you can further enhance the template to build a much more powerful automation suiting your own use case. Using templates simply helps you to reduce manual work. So instead of building everything from scratch over and over, you just need to find something that is already available for you to work with. So you can search based on the specific app you want to use or a specific concept you are trying to work with. So that will give you different template options you can select. So we are going to just select a random template here so we can see how it works. So let's look at this. So this is a template. So as you can see, everything has been outlined. So for this template now, what you are going to be doing is you are going to be editing each module so as to contain your own data. So each of these modules require some specific information, so you need to add them. Some might require an API key or your login credentials. So that is the kind of editing you are going to be doing to the template. So basically, that is the major work you are going to be doing. Just create the necessary edit. Then if you need to enhance the template, then you can now add other modules that you might want to add depending on your use case. So let's look at what this template is all about. It summarizes website content and creates social media posts with ChatGPT and Browse AI. So that's what this template is all about. If it is aligned with your use case, then you can easily integrate this and get it working. These are all the apps that is included. We have the Browse AI, we have the Flow Control, we have the OpenAI ChatGPT, we have LinkedIn, and we have Facebook pages. So here we have the Start Guided Step button. So this is going to help you to move from module to module to add the relevant data you need to add so as to make the workflow perfect and working. So you can use this button to create a new scenario with this template. So once you just click on this button, this old template will automatically become your new scenario. Then you can make every necessary edit required. So let me click on the start guided step so we can see what it entails. So once I click that, it's going to bring up the first pop-up, which is to make the connection for Browse AI. So you're going to be creating a webhook. So this webhook will help you perform a specific action with Browse AI. Once that is done, the next module is a router. So the router helps you to create two branches. So this first branch here now is using ChatGPT. You are going to add your API key. The API key is to enable you to use the ChatGPT. Then the last node for this route is for you to create a company test post. So you are going to create a post to your LinkedIn profile. Then the second route is using another ChatGPT, which also requires you to add your API key. Then once that is done, whatever information that is gotten from here then can then be sent to Facebook as a post. So that is how you make edit to a template. It is very easy to use and straightforward. Using a template doesn't mean you don't know what you are building or you don't know what you're doing. it simply means you value efficiency and you value other people's effort. The template helps you to work faster and be much more efficient. So that is it, guys. You can always come here whenever you need to work on something, pick a template and use it to keep practicing. Remember, templates are just starting point. The real power comes from customization. So if you have a template and you don't know how to customize it, then that's going to be a problem. If you have been following our tutorials, you will have understood a lot of things, and that will help you to easily customize any templates you have here. All right, we have come to the end of the video. In the next videos, we are going to start building powerful automations. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.